We are advising governments as the OECD. It allows us to have a deeper insight into what's going on in the marketplace and to help our thinking in terms of what the best regulatory approaches would be. Market for recycled plastics is currently not very well developed. In particular, there is a big problem on the demand side, meaning there's not enough demand for recycled plastics, which is partly linked to the price and partly linked to its quality, where we're looking at new technology, often chemical recycling-based technology that can help to improve the quality of recycled plastics to a level where it is almost the same as virgin plastics, and that would allow to really go into closed-loop recycling systems, which are currently very hard to achieve, including for food contact. We've also seen that the technology is still at early stages of development, in some cases at least, and that some scale-up to industrial scale is still necessary, so there's still a proof of concept sort of to the industrial scale that needs to be made. One of the problems that we point out in our report on the demand side is that there is no differentiated market and therefore no differentiated price for recycled plastics. This is a problem because it means that recycled plastics are basically price takers, and they are following the fluctuations and the volatility in the oil market, while not having a cost structure that corresponds to this. What we are suggesting is to put in place measures that would allow to establish a distinct, separate market for recycled plastic with a separate price. And that can be done through a number of interventions, including such as recycled content labels, recycled content requirements, within product legislation, for instance, and the use also of recycled content requirements in public procurement. And what we're also suggesting is potentially to put in place a tax on virgin plastics so as to create this price differential that is apparently necessary to allow recycled plastics to find a bigger market.